Hi everyone, my name is Kazio, member of Mobile Animal Breeding Farm. So today we are here dropping our sugar graze to make silage. But last time I promised you to explain the term sugar graze. In short terms, sugar graze can be defined as sweet sorghum, which is cultivated for livestock, and it is well known for high sugar levels, which is suitable for grazing, winter grazing, and making silage. Therefore, its high level of sugar also contributes to the protein content, which is 18 to 20%, which leads to which increases in milk production. Hence, their farmers. Sugar graze is also cultivated for especially cattle in order to increase milk production. Hence, my dear followers, hi everyone, my name is Kazio, member of Mobile Animal Farm. So today we are here dropping sugar graze. Last time I promised to explain the term sugar graze. In the short term, sugar graze can be defined as sweet sorghum, which is cultivated for livestock, and it is also well known for its high sugar content, which makes it suitable for grazing, making silage, and winter grazing. Therefore, hi everyone, my name is member of Mobile Animal Breeding Farm. So today we are here dropping our sugar graze. But last time I promised you to explain a little bit